Hey Nani, what's for lunch?
I'm making Karela.
No, not Karela again.
It's very nice. This is a nice Karela Pyaaz Sabzi. It is more like a stir-fried. Nice, healthy, and you will love it. It's not the stuffed Karelas. It is not the fried Karelas. It is something really different and you will enjoy it. So we will peel the bitter gourd clean. And we just remove the seeds from inside. We cut it into thin roundels so they come out as semicircles. So now as I open it out, you can see it. So this is how that we have cut the bitter gourd, the Karela. Now we will wash this nicely. We just sprinkle a little salt and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. And actually if you do it a day prior, even better. We will start making the masala. You can make this in ghee, but I'm making this in mustard oil. We'll bring the mustard oil to a smoking point. These are 2.5 large size onions which I have diced. I slit in and add 2 green chillies. Mix it well. We will wait for the onions to brown nicely. We add in 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste with half a green chilli. We mix it till our garlic ginger paste gets nicely cooked. So for about 2 minutes or so. And now our masala is ready. And we put this aside. So you can see this salted Karela bitter gourd, which we have cut in semicircles. It has left the water. So now I will wash it once again, or I can just, even if I don't wash it, I can just squeeze out the water like this. We stir fry our Karelas. We pour in a little oil. The oil has become hot. And now we add the Karelas. We mix them well and we lower the flame and we will just keep on stir frying it till they become a little crisp. You can see that the Karelas have cooked nicely and they've become a little crispy and have become lesser in volume as well. Now I will add it to the cooked onions. Mix well. We will just add a wee bit of salt more, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, little bit of garam masala. With a light hand, just stir it till all the masalas are nicely mixed. Lastly, we add in the amchur powder. You can see the texture of this vegetable. It's absolutely very light. This dish is very delectable. You can just have it as it is without any accompaniment. So on slow flame, I will just keep it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes done. Now I will add in some freshly grated coconut. I just mix this nicely. So here we've added lots of onion and we have added fresh coconut. So what happens is, because of the coconut sweetness and the onion sweetness, the bitter gourd becomes less bitter. We add in a little more fresh coconut, some coriander leaves. Now we switch off the gas.
Wow, it doesn't look like Karela at all.
Yes, it doesn't look like Karela because it looks more like a snack. It's really nice and crispy. You can just roll it in a roti and have it. You can have it like that. Please enjoy it. I'm getting you some curd.